Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have another unboxing. It's a little bit larger of a package again, so it doesn't fit the best under the camera here, but this is a watch that I've wanted for a long time. I was finally able to pick one up. I've actually purchased similar watches to this, but this is actually the one I was looking for. The other two that I purchased are actually a little bit larger version of this one. This is the Seiko 62 Mas. Well, it's one of them. There's a few watches that go by that same nickname. And actually, I'm trying to remember the exact model number of this. I think it's the SPB149. I'm not sure if that makes sense. I'll have to look it up and put it in the description. So it is, of course, a Seiko. Sorry about the noise. Make sure there is nothing else in the box. Oh, cool. So it's on the side of the case. SPB149, which is not really what I said, but I got the first part of it right. This one is actually a limited edition. So that is cool. I don't know what it is limited to. Yeah, this is, I'm actually very excited about this. Yeah, this is cool. Wow. I should have opened this a lot earlier. I don't know how long I've had it here for. Prospex limited edition. Some manuals here. So SR35 movement. Comes with the strap and the bracelet. I did buy this watch used, of course, as I do with most of my watches. Yeah, I think he wore this mostly on the strap here. A little bit of wear on here. No big deal. I think I will actually wear it on this as well. I don't believe he wore it on the bracelet. So MSRP on this was $1,350. I don't believe these are still for sale. Yeah, this is definitely more appropriate to my wrist size. The other ones I bought are the SBDC051 and SBDC055. I used to be a lot better with these model numbers. They all kind of blend together now. Maybe because I'm getting older. I don't know. Yeah, this is cool. So this is the blue dial. They have a brown dial, and then they have a gray dial, and I believe a black dial as well. Oh, is that? I'll have to look it up. I don't know if this is a ceramic bezel insert or not. I might have known at one time, but I don't know right now. Yeah, anyway, so let me get this on wrist, and we'll close out the video. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You can do it now, do it later, whenever. Doesn't cost you anything. Helps me out a lot. Like the video if you liked it. Leave a comment below. Yeah, I think this may be a keeper in my collection. I'll get it on wrist. But it's very cool. Let's look at the case back. I don't know if this shows how many it's limited to or not. You know, some of their limited edition is like 10,000 or some crazy high number. I do have, yeah, there it is right there. I do have a Seiko Tuna, Patty Seiko Tuna, which is limited to 700. So this is, let's say 5,500. I guess that makes sense because I saw on the lid here, 55th anniversary. So that kind of makes sense. All right, let's zoom out a bit and get this on wrist. Curved sapphire crystal, a domed sapphire crystal. So I have a 6.5-inch wrist, and I believe this is a 40 millimeter diameter case. Lug to lug, I don't know, but it looks good on my wrist. I also have the Armida version of this, and then I think I have around here somewhere the San Martin version of the 62 mAh. So I'll do a comparison video of all of those in the future here. So anyway, let me know what you think of this watch. Yeah, I think it looks good. I really like this. Oh yeah, it has the gold second hand too. I just noticed that. I kind of remember that now. So anyway, I think that will do it for today's video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.